Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. In this video I am going to show you this two indicator money algorithm and the magnet V5. Only the single indicator magnet V5 is giving you accuracy 94%, and I already make many videos on this indicator, and you can watch in my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel and you will watch a lot of videos. Okay, so this video I'm especially making for MT5 system because most of the audience from my side are waiting for the best MT5 system, and I will show you a live demo as well in the MT5 in the 1 minute time frame or in the 5 minute time frame, and as well as I will show you the results in the 1 minute time frame as well. Okay, in the 5 minute time frame you can see I got one position and I open my two positions here. Okay, and I am just waiting if the market goes downside. Okay, then I had need to open one more position, but let me show you more details about this MT5 system. Okay, so here you can see this indicator is giving you yes, you can see the two colors, the blue one and the second one is like on another color, and when the blue color, that's mean you have need to open your buy position like this one. From this point you have need to open your buy position and need to close the trade when candle touch to the upper band line here. Okay, like here this one you have need to open your sell position and need to close your trade here. Okay, when the candle touch to the lower band line, that's it. Another thing, here you can see the candles are now again not in the blue color, so you have need to open your one more position from this point. Okay, you have need to open your one more position and need to close your trade here. Now you have need to go for the buy trade and need to close the trade when candle touch to the upper band line. Okay, you have need to close your trade. Okay, this indicator is very important because this is the all indicator. Okay, and let me show you some more details here. You can see need to open your buy sell position and need to close your trade here. Okay, let me show you some more details. Here you can see the buy position. Okay, need to close your trade at this point. Okay, here you can see this is your another trade and need to close your trade at this point. Okay, and the same trade here you can see you need to open your buy position, need to close the trade when current touch to the low upper band line, and I will show you the this trade in the live. Okay, let me show you the results in 1 minute time frame. This is excellent, and you can say it's awesome indicator, and you can see how amazingly it's giving you the profits. Okay, from this point we open your buy position, and in the 1 minute time frame as well you can see, and now we are in some good profit. Okay, and we are waiting for the our when the tender touch to the upper band line, then we have need to close our trade. Okay, and let me show you some more details about it. This one, okay, this is your second position because the candles are on the upper band line and we have this color, so that's mean we have need to open our sell position, need to close your trade here. Again from this point you have need to open your again one more position and need to close your trade. Okay, and I will show you why we did not open our sell position from this point. I will give you more details about that one, but wait, just wait. Okay, that is your one more position, need to close your trade here. Okay, we are waiting for the buy position. Yes, we got the position, and you can see you got some good profit here. Okay, now again sell position, that one. Okay, here you can see sell position, that is your buy positions. Okay, you can see how amazingly this indicator is giving you profits. Okay, here you can see amazing, amazing. Okay, you need to open your sell position, need to close your trade, one more position, but unfortunately no candle touch to the lower band line. Okay, no candle, So you have need to close your trade. Maybe you will get some loss, maybe a few cents, but that bearable. If you are getting small loss, that is bearable. If you are getting lot of loss trades, then definitely that is not a good thing. Okay, here you can see in the 1 minute time frame as well, you can see you are getting awesome results. Okay, here you can see indicators giving you awesome results. Okay, but we are working on the 5 minute time frame. Let me show you. Okay, indicator loading. Let me show you. Here you can see. So hopefully I will from that point I will, maybe I will stop the video and I will show you the results of this trade. Definitely I will show you the results, and because many people's are demanding for the best MT5 system. I have many MT5 or MT4 system, but this is my first MT5 system, and nobody you can say it's my first MT5 system, and hopefully you will love it. Okay, and here you can see the results, and I will show you the results of this trade as well. Do not worry. Okay, I know the indicator is not in now we are in some loss, but do not worry, just stay focused, and I will show you the results at the end of the video. Okay, let's see the results at the now from that point I have need to stop the video, and will show you the results at the end of the video. Okay, here you can see in the 1 minute time frame. In the 1 minute time frame, you can see our take profit is done, but in the 5 minute time frame, trade is still going on, and we are waiting to candle to touch to the upper band line, and then we have need to close our trade. Okay, so here you can see in the 1 minute time frame, if you was using 1 minute, that was our trade, and you can see our trade successfully. Okay, but we have need to wait for the 5 minute time frame, and when I will close my trade, I will show you. Okay,